Hi, attorney Jason Abraham, the managing partner of Hupy and Abraham, and I have been at the Wisconsin Lutheran College for the last 2 days as a guest lecturer in the business law class, and I'm here today with Nathan. Nathan, tell me about the class and why you took it.
I took business law because I was interested in the law aspect, and honestly, before coming to this class, I really did not know much about law, so I think it's a great introduction class to really get to know a lot more about business.
Now, I was in your class the last 2 days, and I hope you found it informative in some way. Tell me something that you found interesting or learned that you didn't already know.
All the cases you took, they were really interesting. Professor Eppen has talked a lot about law, but not really practical application of it. So it was really nice to be able to see, oh, this is the process you go through in the case of the roller coaster. This is what I want to do first, and this is, the step-by-step process of it.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. It was a joy meeting you, and I'm
Thank
glad
you.
to be part of your class.